then swimming back. Five fingers on one hand, yay, wave hello and shout hooray. Six toy blocks stacked so tall, careful now, don't let them fall. Seven stars that twinkle bright, go sparkling softly through the night. Eight legs on a spider small, creeping slowly up the wall. Nine apples on a tree so wide, pick one up and take a bite. 10 toes on your feet below, wiggle then and go, go, go. 11 birds fly through the sky, flapping wings as they go by. 12 cars zoom down the lane, I beep, here they go again. 13 cookies in a row, take a bite, but not too slow. 14 crayons, bright and new, draw a rainbow just for you. 15 bubbles floating free, pop them fast, 1, 2, 3. 16 frogs jump in the pond, ribbit, ribbit, splash beyond. 17 books stacked to the top, let's read them all, don't ever stop. 18 drums go boom, boom, bang, make a beat and let it clang. 19 bees go buzz, buzz near, they bring the flowers happy cheer. 20 giggles, laugh with me, counting's fun. As you can see, we counted from 1 up to 20. With fun and learning, we had plenty. Now sing again or dance around. Numbers are fun, see what you found.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.